Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can activate dark mode on your iPhone, since iPhone as well has its dark mode features. So in today's video I will be showing you how it's activated. Once applied, all the settings and apps will turn to dark. So without any further ado, let's open settings. And now that the settings are open, you can see all the tools to work with, so simply click on the brightness and display. So now they open, you can see all other tools to work with. So turn your dark mode, simply click on dark. And now as you can see, your phone has turned to dark. If you check all the entire settings and phone has been set to dark mode. However, there's a shortcut, and it's simple. Simply start by opening the control center. Now that the control center is open, you can see all the tools to work with. So simply click on this button. And so as you can see, your phone's theme has been entirely changed to light mode. So you can click it again to turn it on or off again. However, if you come and click on automatic, your dark mode and light mode will be set automatically. If it's evening, your phone is going to turn on to dark mode. And in the morning, the phone will turn back to light mode. So from now on you can manage your phone's mode however you want. So is it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.